Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get AliExpress Sunshine Savings June 2026. So in order to get the most out of the AliExpress Sunshine Savings in June 2026, you should focus on the Choice Day deals and major summer sales. So all you need to do is simply go to your homepage, and in your homepage, simply tap on Choice Day on the top right over here. This is where you can select multiple different products at such high discounts. As you can see, you can also go ahead and check for summer sale or 618 sale. As you can see, it says summer ready on top. Simply go ahead and tap on that banner right over here to get it. And you can simply go ahead and use these and even stack your discounts. So the most effective way to save is going to be by layering multiple types of discount. So compare at least 2 to 3 sellers for same items and collect these on the specific product page before adding the items to your cart. So select the store coupons. And you can also use event-specific codes. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.